Hi class, so today we're gonna learn about slaying that hair in one. Hi sweets, so this is gonna be a quick video on how I do my low sleek bun with a middle part. So if you'd like to see how to achieve this style, keep watching. Right in the middle. Okay, so I part my hair down the middle. I'm gonna spritz my hair with water so I can prepare it for the style. And water always just helps me to get my hair nice and smooth because it's wet. It's just a lot more manipulable. So I'm gonna take my Denman brush and I'm just gonna smooth my hair in the direction of the part. Now I'm gonna take my brush and I'm just gonna brush that down so everything is sleek. Look at all them flyaways and them frizzy ears. Then we're gonna take some gel, brush my hair, just so I can make sure that this style is sleek. And I mean, when I say sleek, I mean sleek. When this style brush and do good, girl, you look like you tie your head from last year to get it sleek. Alright, so we'll brush. Now we're just gonna gather all the hair to the back, and I'm gonna make sure everything is nice and snug. You see right here, look a frizzy. I'm gonna take my Denman brush, smooth that out. Then I'm gonna take my brush and smooth it back out. So I wore this hairstyle to work, yeah, and I wore it with a turtleneck shirt. Yeah, we wear turtleneck in Jamaica, especially when the office AC booming and you freeze daily. And my manager says to me, I don't know how I feel about this hairstyle. So I go, what do you mean? He goes, maybe it's with the turtleneck, but with your hair like that and the turtleneck, you look too trustworthy. What? What that mean? Somebody explain to me. Some look like a wretch otherwise. Yeah, me look like a wretch. So guys, this is the trustworthy, sleek hair, yeah? So I'm gonna spritz that with some more water. And I'm gonna create a bun. So let me spin around, show you how I create the bun. We'll take the ear them and we'll baby them. Small hairs. That ear they can't baby ear rejected. Put that back. See? Many are called, but only few are chosen. Like it? If you try it, tell me. Because tell me all the people that must say, oh your ear looks so good today. Because when I wear this style, everybody asks me, oh your ear looks so good today, I want to touch it. Because it even looks like an Indianish doll. Oh my goodness. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. Really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos from me, please subscribe. Bye guys. Put me now on jackets. I met me sell you some insurance. Hello. Yes. Yes. So sorry guys, I don't know this style. I just love it. It just, my feel transform.